that they do run us up in war, and this will be giving examples of Operation Sindoor, which still continues. It's important to acknowledge here that although we lost 7 Indian jets, we went airborne again after just 3 days, and that alone shows our resilience. Our preparedness level has to be very high in 24/7, 365 days. Again, coming back to the same point that an officer today needs to be much more well read so that we can contribute to this particular aspect of securing a nation. As was said earlier, that they do run us up in war, and this will be giving examples of Operation Sindoor, which still continues. Our preparedness level has to be very high in 24/7, 365 days. We are living in that kind of a environment, and it's only scholar warriors that can ensure this readiness by thinking differently, connecting the dots across this complete kind of a spectrum. And in the same spirit, it must also be said our Hindu ideology stands for peace. Yes, we did ask for a ceasefire, not out of weakness, but because we did not want South Asia to suffer the horrors of an all-out war. Peace, after all, is the higher path. I've actually given you a number of examples. Initially, when we said that, we thought that no, the scholar warrior should be a single gentleman actually. Kind of it should both the scholarly qualities and the warrior qualities should lie in one domain. But right from ancient times, we have found that both are complex, and that's why there was Arjun and there was Krishna and there was 2 people actually. And throughout history, we've seen 2 people. So how are we saying that this particular thing should reside in one particular gentleman over here? My particular view is that one genius or one successful general will never make you win a war actually. You don't require one Mauniksha or one Napoleon to make you win a war. You require actually hundreds of them.